In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect instantly with your audience through conversational text messaging at a large scale. Growing your community is important as it means more fans of your brand, and more fans means more revenue to you. I'm not only going to show you how to set up a community message, but also give you some ideas and suggestions on what type of message you should send to get your community contacts excited to hear from you. To send a mass text message, on the left, click on Messages and then on Send Messages. Select the Communities button and then select the community or communities that you'd like to send a message to. Next, decide when you'd like your message to be sent out. You can select a specific date and time or have it go out immediately. To select a specific date and time, click on the Date field and select the date and time of your choice. Our system will automatically send your message at the date and time you selected. If you set your message for a future date, make sure that you have the correct time zone set for your account. You can check the time zone settings by going up and hovering over your name and then clicking on Account. Verify that your time zone is correct. Now, when sending your message, you have two options. One is to send a simple SMS text message. The other is to send an image with your message that will instantly appear on your contact's phone. If you want to send an image with your text, click on the MMS button and then select the image from your computer. It's important to know that carriers restrict the size of an MMS message to 700 kilobyte. Larger images will not be delivered, so keep the size under 700 kilobyte. Also, the carriers charge an additional credit for sending your MMS message. Instead of 1 credit when sending a standard SMS message, an MMS message will use 2 credits. If you're sending a standard SMS text message, you also have the option to use our PicFile feature. PicFile allows you to select an image, a document, record audio, record a video message, grab something from your Google Drive, add a web image, and more. You can also drag and drop an item directly from your desktop into PicFile. Whatever media you select, PicFile will turn your media into a clickable link and will add it to your message box. Now, if you're going to use PicFile, make sure you add the PicFile link to your message box first and then add your message. Now, this message is really boring. You would want to announce a new venue, a new release, new beats, a YouTube or Zoom event. You could include a promo code for new merch, anything that would be of interest to your community. Also, keep in mind that each 160 characters will cost 1 credit. However, going over 160 characters, including the mandatory stop to end wording, will use an additional credit as well. Even if your message count is 161 characters, you will be charged an additional credit even though the message is just 1 character over. Also, and this is very important, if you create your message first in another document and then paste it into your message box, you may be creating additional credit charges. When you copy and paste from another document, many times there are hidden characters you won't see. These hidden characters are not carrier friendly, and the carrier will charge additional credits to process them. We have included a group message checker on the left column under Tools for this very reason. Before pasting your message into the message box, paste it into the message checker first. If you see anything highlighted in red, you can make changes right in the message checker. You are then safe to copy and paste your corrected message from the message checker to the message box. Also, using emojis in mass texting does not make the carriers happy either, and they will charge you additional credits to process them. Now, once your message is completed, make sure that you have the mandatory stop to end wording in place as well. When finished, click on Send Message. Your message will either go out right away or at the scheduled date and time you selected.